Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then perform the first actionable steps. Make sure Oringo v2, 1 or newer is installed and that you meet the 4 GB RAM and disk requirements. Once done, locate your API token and copy it securely into your password manager so you can paste it later. Now open a terminal or the Oringo GUI, create a project folder, and run Oringo init to initialize configuration. This sets up local files and a basic config you will edit next. Next, you focus on configuration and establishing a stable connection. Open Oringo. Config and set the endpoint, adjust timeout and concurrency to match your network. This prevents timeouts. Then run Oringo login token and paste your API token to authenticate. Check the connection status so you know you're live. After authentication, map any local resources or paths required, export environment variables if needed, and run Oringo ping to test a real request. Make sure to monitor logs for errors while you refine settings. Finally, you complete the task by deploying and validating the client. Run Oringo deploy and watch the progress output, confirm success codes or green indicators. Once deployed, exercise features and verify responses against expected behavior. If something goes wrong, increase logging to verbose to capture detailed traces and reproduce the issue. A key troubleshooting tip: restart the Oringo client, re-authenticate with Oringo login token, and confirm your network or firewall allows the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.